like this guy?
Well, Garcia Chiropractic is all about making people feel better, because we know that when people feel better, they get better. One of the ways we make people feel better is that we are conveniently located. Right off the 405, we have a location that you can go to before work, so you can make more money, you can focus more, take care of your family. The second one is we have a nice text messaging platform that allows you to contact the doctor or the staff, so if something changes, we can adapt to that as soon as possible. The third way is our staff is geared towards making it customized towards your schedule. So we don't want to get in the way of your life, we want to make it better. The lower back and the neck work together, so it's always important to balance both of them. Growing up, my father actually went to a chiropractor and had a great experience with it. So I was always positive about that word, chiropractic, and I didn't know much about it, but I always thought, you know, that's something that's I think a lot of people can benefit from. A lot of times we like to put things off, but in all reality, if you catch something sooner, it's a much easier process to fix. As it sets more, it's going to take longer and more time to actually fix that problem. So I would suggest to them to not allow procrastination to be the thief of their health. We just want you to know that we're having a great time here taking care of people, and Garcia Chiropractic just wants you to feel better.